Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about pronouns. A pronoun is a type of word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, instead of saying, Sarah went to the store, we can say, she went to the store. She is a pronoun that takes the place of Sarah. There are several types of pronouns, including personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and more. Personal pronouns are used to refer to specific people or things. Examples include I, you, he, she, it, we. Possessive pronouns show ownership. Examples include mine, yours, its, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Reflexive pronouns show that the subject and the object in a sentence are the same. Examples include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. Examples include this, that, these, and those. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Examples include who, whom, what, which. Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. Examples include anyone, someone, no one, everyone. Pronouns are important because they help make our sentences shorter and easier to understand. They also help us avoid repeating the same noun over and over in a sentence. For example, instead of saying, the dog chased the cat, the dog caught the cat. The dog bit the cat, we can say, the dog chased the cat. He caught and bit her. Using pronouns can make your writing more interesting and varied too. So, next time you write a sentence, try using a pronoun instead of repeating the same noun. And that's it for today's lesson on pronouns. I hope you learned something new and interesting. Thanks for watching.